Hello, welcome to the channel. Once again, K-Math Lab. Today we are going to look at solving proportions easily. Now I have a question. Do proportions confuse you? Our first question is, what is a proportion? Now, a proportion is when two fractions are equal. So we use cross multiplication in such a way to find out the value of the hidden number in our proportions. So we'll have an first example as 3 out of 5 is equal to x out of 20. So this is a proportion, and as we have said that we are going to use cross multiplication is so common while we are dealing with proportions. Cross multiply these numbers. What do I mean by cross multiplying? We multiply the numbers in an opposite direction, like the way the multiplication sign moves. So here we are going to have 5 times x is equal to 3 times 20. So here we are going to have 5x is equal to 60. Now, the next thing is that in proportions, what we normally look at majorly are the friends. Addition and subtraction are friends. Then multiplication and division are also friends. So wherever you find a multiplication, majorly when the number is next to a letter and there is no sign, that is multiplication automatically. So, and remember that when we are multiplying, we divide. When we are dividing, we multiply. So here we are going to remove the 5 by dividing. Divide by 5, divide by 5 on both sides. So we'll have our x equal to 60 divided by 5, that is 12. So here we have solved our proportion by giving the final answer to the unknown letter that is given to us. Another example here we can take is x out of 4 is equivalent to 9 out of 12. Now, some of the proportions are very simple, really, because here there are so many methods that you can use. Now, here the quick method you can see is that they multiplied 4 times 3 to get 12. So which number do I multiply times 3 to get 9? So that automatically shows you that our x is going to be equal to 3. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 3, 12. So in most cases, these numbers in proportions are not so hard, but you need also to find a strategy on how to get them. So here is the working for this. We will take x over 4 is equal to 9 out of 12. Then we cross multiply. So we'll have x times 12 is equal to 4 times 9, which means 12x is going to give us 36. So we divide by 12 on both sides. Divide by 12 on both sides. So our x is going to be equal to 3. Okay, so that is how we solve proportions. I want you to say that proportions are easy because I can solve proportions. So proportions are easy when you remember cross multiplication or cross multiply. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe so that our channel may reach so many people. Thank you.